Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the weather within the Blockman GO game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blockman GO game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page from which you can choose from various different games. Now choose any game that you prefer. And once you are inside the game that you wish to play, you can start joining any match or create your own right away. Now, if you wish to change the weather within your game, just tap on the camera icon at the top left corner. This will now show you various different options. Tap on Special Effects, and now you can choose from various different weathers. Tap on Weather, and now you have sunny, starry sky as well as sunset glow. Tap on any weather that you want, and now it will be applied to your game right away. You can now go back and enjoy your game with this weather that you have chosen, and you can come back to this menu at any time from the special effects page in order to change your weather. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the weather on the Blockman GO game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.